The Maywood Rotary Club was established in 1924, and the club has been active in demonstrating service above self through careful selection of priority, community, and international projects. The making of the Richard Hunt sculpture was sponsored by the Rotary Club and completed in 2005 by Richard Hunt. The sculpture was grounded in front of the Maywood Public Library to demonstrate 100 years of service. Volunteers stepped forward and worked hard to help place the sculpture right in the heart of Maywood. The club celebrates and provides recreational and celebrative services to the community and sponsored the 3rd annual Maywood Jazz Festival at the Maywood Park, located on Fred Hampton Way, and also helped to build playgrounds for kids throughout the village of Maywood. The Maywood Rotary Club is always active in the community, reaching out to those far and near. The Alliance for Smile, a non-profit organization that provides free, comprehensive dental treatment, including reconstruction surgery, to children born with cleft lip and palate anomalies in many underserved areas of the world. The Maywood Rotary Club is proud to be a part of Rotary International and District 6450 in reaching out to offer support to those in need. Please support the Maywood Rotary Club by visiting our website at maywoodrotary.com. I'm Mayor Henderson Yarbrough Sr., and I'm a proud member of the Maywood Rotary Club, and I approve this message.